Welcome to 2-in-1 Bird and Math Quiz number 2. Similar to the previous quiz, the objective will be to learn different species of birds and improve your math skills. So let's try to guess the name of the bird at the end of the video by using the 5 photos that will be shown to you throughout the video. First, we will look at the photos of the bird that we need to identify. Then we'll solve 5 math questions and finally guess the name of the bird. A hint. The name of this bird is made up of 2 words. The first word starts with letter A, and the second word starts with letter R. Good luck. Let's do some math first. First question. 5 plus 2 is 7. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Now, let's guess the bird. Here's another photo of the bird, number 4. This is a small bird. It is typically 20 to 28 centimeters in length, and it weighs between 77 and 85 grams. Do you know the name of the bird? You should guess. The final answer is American robin. Congratulations to all that guessed it.